Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your TikTok coins balance and how to check your gift revenue as well. If you're interested, continue watching. So to get started, I'm right now on my TikTok. So then click on this three sign in the right circle, then click on setting and privacy, then click on balance. So as you can see where it says coins balance, so that is where you see the total amount of coins balance you have to gift out. As you can see, mine is showing 1 coins. So that's where you check your coins balance. And of course, to check your gift revenue, which is the total amount of, revenue, coins or gifts you got from your videos or from your live stream. So where it says gift revenue, so in front of it, it's going to show in dollar. So that's where you find the total amount of gift revenue you've accumulate or you got on TikTok. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you in my next video. Bye.